Alaska. The last frontier has long awakened dreams of exploration and discovery. And an excursion with Alaska Adventures carries adventurous anglers deep into an unspoiled wilderness for the experience of a lifetime. We focus on several rivers within the magnificent Katmai National Park and famous Bristol Bay drainages. This untamed region is renowned for its elite world-class fishing and abundant wildlife. Each of these premier fishing rivers are clear running without glacial silt and are considered some of the most prolific fisheries in the world for all 5 species of wild Pacific salmon. These are the critical species of the region, with several million fish returning each year to complete their life cycles, thus supporting an abundance of life throughout the whole ecosystem. The catch rates and diversity of other sports fish are beyond compare, with healthy populations of trout, char, grayling, and steelhead, all keen off the salmon runs. The trophy wild rainbows found in these waters are reason enough for the journey. One of Alaska's greatest resources is the abundance of her wild fisheries. So a strict catch and release policy is in place for all rainbow trout. Most of our trips run the ALAGNAK River, and float fishing these remote waters offers distinct advantages to the serious fly fishermen. At the start of your journey, flying out of the town of King Salmon to the headwaters of either the non-Vionic or the Kukaklik Lakes will allow you unequaled access to the entire length of the river. As you quietly drift through your week, the constant availability to prime fishing waters offers unbelievably productive action. 24 hours a day if you wish, throughout the bright Alaskan summer. Traveling with the flow of the river, you can discover its more intimate rhythms. You'll hear loons marking the passing hours, while you see eagles, moose, wolves, and the Alaskan brown bear go about their day. This approach is also perfect for extraordinary wildlife viewing and photography opportunities. Many guests come on our custom bear viewing raft trips, specifically for these memorable experiences. An Alaskan Adventures wilderness rafting vacation is a remarkable way to experience the majestic Alaskan backcountry. Our riverside campsites provide comfortable protection from the elements and are meant to minimize the impact on these pristine environments. Mornings and evenings are especially noteworthy because of the peaceful ambiance in camp. Generally running Sundays through Saturdays, our trips can accommodate both small and large groups and are flexible to your interests. We furnish high-quality rafting and camping gear, however you will need to bring your own fishing equipment, specialty items, and the proper clothing for changing weather conditions.
Beautiful trout.
Alaska Adventures is the only rafting outfit on the Alagnak River to provide mid-trip stops at our world-class lodge for saunas, showers, laundry, and camaraderie. The Alagnak River Lodge, situated on 160 acres of private land, is a deluxe wilderness facility. Stays at the lodge are available for those guests wishing for more amenities and services while in the Alaskan backcountry. If you choose to enjoy the comforts of overnights at the lodge, then raft floats and jet boats will go out daily. Safety is our foremost concern and will always dictate the final itinerary of every trip. Drawing on over 20 years of guiding in Alaska, our professional guides provide the necessary credentials and knowledge to ensure that our guests receive the greatest enjoyment from the ultimate fishing vacation.
We'll let them go for another day.
Although our focus is the Katmai region, we also have fishing trips to other spectacular locations, such as our exclusive Kodiak Island Lodge for fall run steelhead and silver salmon, or out to our spike camps on the remote Aleutian Islands for spring run steelhead. Essentially, our guiding services opens up the Alaskan wilderness for your exploration. We will gladly customize your vacation to any adventure you can dream up, and we are available to assist you in planning every aspect of your trip. Your journey with Alaska Adventures will deliver unforgettable discoveries and memories, and we hope that you will be called to return again and again.
Nice rainbow trout.
We look forward to guiding you on all your Alaska adventures. For more information, call us at 877-801-2289 or email at fishing@alaska-adventures.net.